September is one of the worst months for flooding, and it's something that people here have learned to live with. But that doesn't make it any easier. Roads, bridges, and other infrastructure are damaged or impassable, and hundreds of schools are flooded.
We started developing the early warning system back in 2013. Originally, the way that people would receive warnings around floods in Cambodia were often through a very long process where the most vulnerable communities, or the most rural communities as well, were basically receiving information about a flood after it had happened.
EWS 1294 is an early warning system that we use in Cambodia to notify populations with warnings when a flood or another hazard is coming to the area.
In order to sign up to the system, you would call the phone number 1294, which is free for anyone in Cambodia.
Interactive voice response technology allows to send messages to people who are not able to read or write. Our objective is to cover the whole country thanks to the support of UNDP by mid-May 2020 and start operating together with NCDM in the 25 provinces of Cambodia from mid-2020 onwards.
If you receive a phone call, you would tell not just your own family, but your neighbors and your neighbors' neighbors. Potentially, just calling one phone number, you can warn a whole village.
We cannot control the weather, and it's going to be raining in Cambodia whether we want it or not. But with early warning system 1294, what we can do is we can help people to be more prepared.